What's up, everyone? Today, I'm revealing the 5 habits shared by billionaires like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Oprah, and how you can copy them. I spent 30 days living like the ultra-rich, and the results were wild. These aren't just for billionaires, anyone can start today. I'll break down each habit and show you exactly how to implement it. By the end, you'll have a toolkit used by the world's most successful people. If you're ready to level up, grab a notebook. Let's get into it. Habit 1. Wake up before the world does. Imagine the quiet, the stillness, the sense that you have the world to yourself. There's something almost magical about those early hours, when the rest of the city is asleep and you're already up, ready to take on the day. It's not just about being awake, it's about being ahead. Billionaires like Tim Cook and The Rock start their day at 4 a.m. They know that these early hours are a secret weapon. It's a common thread among high achievers. Waking up before sunrise gives them a head start, a chance to set the tone for the entire day before anyone else has even hit snooze. Why? Those early hours are distraction-free, perfect for planning, exercise, or deep work. There are no emails, no notifications, no demands from others. It's just you and your goals. Whether you use that time to work out, journal, meditate, or tackle your most important project, you'll find your mind is sharper and your focus is stronger. It's not about losing sleep, but shifting your schedule for a head start. The key is to go to bed earlier, so you're not sacrificing rest. You're simply trading late-night scrolling or TV for productive, peaceful mornings. This small shift can completely transform your energy and productivity. Start small. Wake up 15 minutes earlier each week until you reach your goal. Don't try to overhaul your routine overnight. Gradually adjust your wake-up time and let your body and mind adapt. This makes the change sustainable and much less daunting. Prepare the night before, lay out your clothes, set your coffee, write your top priority. By removing morning decisions, you make it easier to get moving. A little preparation in the evening sets you up for a smooth, stress-free start. This habit builds discipline and creates a domino effect for other positive changes. When you conquer your morning, you prove to yourself that you can take control of your day. That confidence spills over into every other area of your life. You'll feel in control, not just reacting to life. Instead of rushing, you'll move with intention. You'll have time to reflect, to plan, and to set your mindset for success. Try it. Set your alarm 15 minutes earlier tomorrow and see how much more you can accomplish. Even a small change can make a big difference. Notice how much more you get done and how much better you feel. Waking up early is the foundation for every other success habit. It's the first domino that knocks down all the rest: discipline, focus, health, and achievement. Give yourself the gift of a head start. Waking up at 4 a.m. isn't just a habit, it's a true cheat code for life. Habit 2. Relentless learning. Warren Buffett reads for hours daily. Bill Gates devours 50 books a year. The ultra-rich treat their brains as their greatest asset, constantly feeding them new knowledge. You don't need to read 500 pages a day. Just swap 30 minutes of scrolling for reading or listening to an audiobook. Choose books or podcasts that help you grow. Biographies, business, psychology. Be intentional. Pick a topic, take notes, and apply what you learn. Every book or podcast is an investment in yourself. I committed to a chapter a day and was flooded with new ideas. Your mission: pick one book or podcast and start this week. Turn downtime into learning time. Habit 3. Build powerful relationships. Billionaires don't just collect contacts, they nurture valuable, purposeful connections. Success is a team sport. Your circle shapes your future. Audit your 5 closest relationships. Do they lift you up or hold you back? Be a giver. Offer value before asking for anything. Join communities, contribute, and connect with like-minded people. During my experiment, I focused on giving, sharing resources, making introductions, and celebrating others' wins. The results? Real connections and new opportunities. Networking isn't about what you can get, but what you can give. Cultivate your network like a garden. Water it, nurture it, and watch it grow. Your network is your long-term asset. Habit 4. Make your money work for you, not the other way around. Most people spend their lives trading time for money, but the truly wealthy understand a different principle. Your money should be out there, working hard, even when you're not. Imagine waking up every morning knowing your investments have been growing while you slept. That's the power of putting your money to work. The ultra-rich invest. They don't just save. They use their money as a tool to generate more wealth, leveraging opportunities that multiply their returns over time. Instead of letting cash sit idle, they put it into assets that appreciate and generate income. Saving is for emergencies. Investing is for building wealth. While having a safety net is important, real financial growth comes from putting your money into vehicles that can grow, like stocks, bonds, or real estate. Savings accounts are safe, but they rarely outpace inflation. Start small. Today, technology makes investing accessible to everyone. Apps let you invest with as little as $5, breaking down barriers that once kept everyday people out of the market. You don't need a fortune to begin. You just need to take the first step. The key is consistency. Set up automatic transfers into a low-cost index fund. By automating your investments, you remove emotion from the process and ensure you're always building your future, no matter what the market is doing. The earlier you start, the more your money compounds. Time is your greatest ally. Thanks to compound interest, even small amounts can grow into significant wealth if you give them enough time to work. I automated weekly investments, and it changed my mindset. I saw money as an employee, not just an expense. Each dollar invested is like hiring a worker whose only job is to earn more for you, day after day. As your income grows, look for ways to increase your investments over time. Even small increases can have a huge impact over the years. Challenge yourself to raise your contributions whenever you get a raise or bonus. You don't need to be a stock-picking genius. Just be disciplined and consistent. The most successful investors aren't always the smartest. They're the most persistent, sticking to their plan through ups and downs. Open a brokerage account, set it, and forget it. Let your investments run in the background while you focus on living your life. Stop just saving. Start owning your financial future. Investing is how ordinary people build extraordinary wealth. It's not about luck or timing. It's about making smart choices starting early and letting time do the heavy lifting. Your future self will thank you. Habit 5. Prioritize your health, because without it, nothing else in life truly matters. No amount of success, wealth, or achievement can compensate for poor health. When you feel strong and energized, you show up as your best self in every area of life. Your body is the vehicle that carries you through your dreams, ambitions, and daily challenges. If you neglect it, everything else suffers. The world's most successful people, billionaires, top executives, and high performers, treat their health as a top priority. They schedule workouts with the same importance as board meetings, and they guard their sleep as fiercely as their most valuable assets. For them, exercise and rest are not optional. They're non-negotiable habits that fuel their success. Regular movement isn't just about looking good, It's about feeling sharper, thinking clearer, and unlocking your creativity. Exercise is a free, natural performance enhancer that boosts memory, focus, and problem-solving skills. Even a short workout can transform your mood and productivity for the entire day. You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Start small. A daily walk, a few push-ups, or a walk and talk meeting can make a real difference. Consistency is more important than intensity. The key is to build momentum with simple, repeatable actions. Prioritize your sleep as if it's a meeting with your future self. Go to bed just 30 minutes earlier, put your phone away, and wind down with a book instead of a screen. Quality sleep is the foundation for energy, focus, and emotional resilience. I made a commitment to move my body for at least 30 minutes and get 7 to 8 hours of sleep every day. The results were incredible. My energy soared, my focus sharpened, and I felt more present in every moment. Tracking your progress, even in small ways, can keep you motivated and accountable. Remember, your health is the foundation for everything else: your career, your relationships, and your happiness. When you invest in your well-being, you're building a stronger base for every other part of your life to thrive. The ultra-rich know this secret. They invest in their bodies and minds for the long game. Schedule your workouts like important appointments, drink more water, and protect your sleep environment. These small investments pay huge dividends over time. Every small, healthy choice you make adds up. Over weeks and months, these tiny changes create massive results: more energy, better mood, and a stronger, more resilient you. Treat your health as your most valuable asset, because it truly is. Protect it, nurture it, and watch every other part of your life flourish. The choices you make today will shape your future. Your future self will thank you for every healthy habit you start right now. There you have it, the 5 billionaire habits you can start today. Waking up early, learning relentlessly, building your network, investing, and prioritizing health. These are simple choices, not secrets. Pick one habit and commit to it for the next 7 days. Drop a comment below with your choice. I want to cheer you on. If you found value, smash that subscribe button for more life-changing content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.